Hello students, in this video we will be discussing accounting treatment of accumulated profit and loss, general reserve and any other types of reserve, deferred revenue expenditure, and along with this we will also discuss about revaluation profit or revaluation loss. Okay, now these same topics, okay, for especially first, second and third, we have already discussed in the admission of a partner. ओके, जेन्ना प्रॉब्लमान एक्युमुलेटेड प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस आसता किंवा जनरल रिजर्व आनी कसलेय रिजर्व दिल्ले आसता, वर्कमॅन कंपेन्सेशन रिजर्व किंवा इन्वेस्टमेंट फ्लक्च्युएटिंग रिजर्व or deferred revenue expenditures are given, what we do with those items? We distribute it to the old partners according to their old profit sharing ratio. Okay. So I have already explained you all this in the admission of a partner. If there is any accumulated profit or loss, reserve or deferred revenue expenditure, that is to be given to the old partners and it is to be distributed in old ratio. Right? Now, in case of retirement of a partner, all these three will be given to the old partners only in their old ratio. But in retirement, कितें जाता? What happens in case of retirement of a partner? I have explained you all this in one video. Okay, just focus only on this part. don't focus on this part. Okay, see what is given here in case of admission of a partner. Let's say for example A and B are running the business. After some time they require capital, so they admit C in the business. Now पयली कोण पार्टनर आशिल्ले? A and B. Now they are admitting C in the business. Okay, so after they admit C, तेन्ना ओल्ड पार्टनर आमी कोणाक म्हणटली? वन्स दे एडमिट सी इन द बिजनस, A and B. So A and B will be known as old partner. आणि आता सगळे पार्टनर बिजनसान कोण कोण पार्टनर आसात? A, B as well as C. But in case of retirement of a partner, A, B and C were running the business. A retires. A retired jata. Okay, because of his ill health or he is not having the interest in this business. A retired jata. आता A retired जातकीर business फाटल्यान कोण कंटिन्यू करता? If they want to, remaining partner. Who are the remaining partner? B and C. So B and C are called as remaining partner. But before a partner's retirement, okay, who were all the partners who were running the business? It is A, B as well as C. So when I am saying old partners in case of retirement of a partner, even the retiring partner will also come in the old partners category. It is A, B as well as C. All the partners who were previously running the business, तांकां सगळ्यांक आमी कितें म्हणटात? ओल्ड पार्टनर्स म्हणटात in case of retirement of a partner. Okay, A was already in the business, so A is also a part of old partner along with B and C. Remaining partner फक्त B आणि C उरतलो कित्याक आतां A गेलो, A बिजनसांतल्यान एक्झिट जालो. Okay, but in case of admission, who are the old partners? A and B. C is just admitted, so C कोण हांगा? न्यू पार्टनर. ओल्ड पार्टनर कोण जाले? A आणि B. सो आमी हो जो कॉन्सेप्ट तुमकां सांगता जो आतां accumulated profit and loss, reserve or deferred revenue expenditure, we have already discussed in admission of a partner chapter, right? But तेन्ना आमी हे कोणाक दिताले? ओल्ड पार्टनर्साक दिताले. Okay, this if any item you get, okay, that has to be distributed among the old partners in old profit sharing ratio. But in case of admission of a partner, old partner कोण जातले? दोन पार्टनर जातले, that is A and B. See, A and B are the old partners. But in case of retirement of a partner, old partner कोण जातले आता in this situation? A, B as well as C. So please understand that if it is a admission of a partner, you have to don't consider new partner in that. पयलीं कोण बिजनस करताले तेच ओल्ड पार्टनर जातले. In case of retirement, the retiring partner will also come in the old partners category. So it will be A, B as well as C. Now only difference is that पयलीं आमी कितें करतालीं, दोन पार्टनरां भितर पयलीं ओल्ड पार्टनर्स दोन आसताले. दोन पार्टनरां भितर आमी डिस्ट्रिब्यूट करतालीं. रिजर्व आशिल्ले जाल्यार आमी दोन पार्टनरां भितर दोन ओल्ड पार्टनरां भितर डिस्ट्रिब्यूट करतालीं, रायट. आतां हांगा कितें जातलें, since there are three partners, even the retiring partner is coming in the old partners category. All three partners are coming. So in this case what will happen, if there is a reserve or any other item is there appearing in the books of account, that will be distributed among A, B as well as C also. Okay, you will get that once I explain you the problem. Okay, now another thing that I have explained you all students, I have sent on the group, on the WhatsApp group, I have sent this to you all. Okay, in case of admission and retirement of a partner, if these items you get, what are you going to do with it? Okay, firstly we'll take reserves, general reserve आसूंक शकता किंवा इन्वेस्टमेंट फ्लक्च्युएटिंग रिजर्व और फंड अशें दिल्लें आसपाक शकता तुमकां प्रॉब्लमान, किंवा वर्कमॅन कंपेन्सेशन रिजर्व. ऑल दीस थ्री आर one type of reserves only. Then accumulated profit. Okay, accumulated profit, that is also known as profit and loss, but what balance? Credit balance. Okay, revaluation profit, I will explain this later. Okay, so if you are getting reserves, accumulated profit, it is written on the liability side in the balance sheet, which means it's a credit balance. Then what are you going to do with all these items? You are going to credit it. It should be credited to old partners capital account. Okay, according to the admission or retirement of a partner, who are the old partners, identify it correctly and credit in their old partners capital account. Okay, now if there is a accumulated loss, accumulated profit आसा जाल्यार आमी कितें करतात, क्रेडिट करतात ओल्ड पार्टनराच्या कॅपिटल अकाउंटान. एक्युमुलेटेड लॉस आसा किंवा प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस डेबीट बॅलन्स म्हणून दिला, विच इज रिटन ऑन दी असेट साइड इन केस ऑफ अ बॅलन्स शीट. ओके, अँड रिवॅल्युएशन लॉस, if there is a revaluation loss or deferred revenue expenditures are given in the asset side. For example, advertisement expenditure, advertisement suspense account, or profit and loss suspense account, or else existing goodwill. If this is given, then what you have to do? You have to debit it to the old partners capital account. Okay, so these items will be credited to the old partners capital account. These items will be debited to the old partners capital account. And in what ratio are we going to distribute this amount relating to this? In the old ratio. How are we going to distribute? In old profit sharing ratio. Now another clarification I have done for you all so that it is easy for you all to understand. Okay, so now just now I have told you all some items will be credited in the old partners capital account, right? So those items you will get in the liability side. Okay, for example reserve, general reserve आयले किंवा investment fluctuating fund दिल्ले आसा किंवा workman compensation reserve, or else profit and loss account, which this is a accumulated profit. Okay, but if it is given in the liability side, that means it is a credit balance. Asset side जाल्यार debit balance. Understand that. So if it is given, if these items are appearing, okay, understand that it is recorded in the liability side. It is coming in the liability side, and if it is coming in the liability side, then which side it will be recorded in the partners capital account? In the opposite side. हांगा डेबिट, हांगा लेफ्ट सायडीन आसा जाल्यार it will go on the right hand side in the next account. So all these items, can you see over here, are recorded over here. Similarly, all the items which are coming in the asset side, like goodwill, which is existing goodwill, it is a existing goodwill, or you can say old goodwill. Then profit and loss, it is a accumulated loss, which means a debit balance. Then deferred revenue, expenditure, advertisement, suspense account, profit and loss, suspense account. If these items are coming, then which side it will be recorded? In partners capital account, it will be recorded in the debit side. Okay, it will be recorded in the debit side. So all these items will go in the credit side over here in the partners capital account. All these items will go in the debit side in partners capital account. So opposite side you have to keep in mind. Okay, now one more thing, in case of admission of a partner कितें जातलें, only A आणि B ओल्ड पार्टनर आसा जाल्यार अमाउंट फक्त A आणि B चे अमाउंट कॉलमानूच येतलो. In case of admission I am saying, but in case of retirement all the partners are getting the share in the general reserve, even the retiring partner will get. Okay, so please keep that in mind. If it is told admission जाल्यार the new partner जो कोण आसा ताका तातूंतलो शेअर मेळचो ना, it is only given to the old partner. If it is told retirement, then all the three partners you have to give. Okay, so once you are clear with these concepts, please note it somewhere on your book. Okay, then we will take a problem now. Okay, so in this video you will be learning about accounting treatment for distribution of accumulated profit and loss, reserves, deferred revenue expenditure, or if there is any revaluation profit or loss. How are we going to record journal entry for this? Okay, so these are basically the balance which are appearing in the balance sheet. तांचो आमी कितें करता, जेन्ना पार्टनर रिटायर्ड जाता ते सगळे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करपाचे आसता. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ देर इज एक्युमुलेटेड प्रॉफिट ऑर लॉस, रिजर्व आसा जाल्यार आनी डिफर्ड रेवेन्यू एक्सपेंडिचर आसा जाल्यार ते कितें करचें पडटा, डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करचें पडटा. ओके, सो हियर इट वील बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड अमंग ऑल द ओल्ड पार्टनर्स, इवन द रिटायरिंग पार्टनर. So now how to distribute it, we will see. It is very easy. We have already studied this topic in the admission of a partner. तेन्ना आमी दोन पार्टनरां भितर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करतालीं, कित्याक थंय ओल्ड पार्टनर दोन पार्टनर आसताले. बट इन केस ऑफ रिटायरमेंट ऑल द पार्टनर्स आर ओल्ड पार्टनर्स हियर, रायट? सो दॅट्स द ओनली डिफरन्स. रिमेनिंग कॉन्सेप्ट इज द सेम थिंग. ओके, सो वॉट इज गिवन? राम, हरी and Shiva are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2:1. Okay, what is given? They are carrying the business and this is their old ratio. Okay, then on 15th April 2017 Hari retires. Okay, on this day, okay, I will just write over here, given, what is given? Ram, Hari and Shiva are partners sharing their profits and losses in this ratio. So this is their old ratio. मागीर कोण रिटायर्ड जाता? Hari retired जाता. Okay, Hari retires from the business. Then on that date there was a balance of rupees 20,000 in general reserve and a debit balance of rupees 10,000 in the profit and loss account of the firm. So ते कितें सांगतात, when this partner retires, that is when Hari retires, on that date there was a balance, already balance आशिल्लो books of accountant with regard to what? 20,000 in general रिजर्वाचे अकाउंटान आशिल्लो आनीक एक डेबिट बॅलन्स आशिल्लो. ओके, that is 10,000 in profit and loss account. So now how to record this now? When this is given, you need to know that where it is appearing in the balance sheet, where these items are appearing in the balance sheet. ओके. सो हांगा एक हांवें रफ कॉपी केल्ली आसा ऑफ बॅलन्स शीट. दिस इज द लायबिलिटी, दिस इज द असेट्स. सो लेट अस सी वेर जनरल रिजर्व विल कम. ओके, just now I have shown you the format over here. Which side general reserve is recorded? It is recorded in the liability side. So if you understood this format, you will get which side it will be recorded in the partner's capital account, and accordingly how we can write the journal entry also for that. Okay, so general reserve comes in the liability side. So what is the amount of general reserve given? 20,000. Okay, then a debit balance of rupees 10,000 in the profit and loss account of the firm. Okay, a debit balance of 10,000 in the profit and loss account of the firm. आता debit balance म्हणल्यार खंयचो balance? Okay, see over here, profit and loss account, credit balance आमी liability सायडीन येता, प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंट डेबीट बॅलन्स जो आसता तो असेट सायडीन येता. म्हणून हांवें हांगा बरयलां लायबिलिटी मिन्स क्रेडीट बॅलन्स, असेट मिन्स डेबीट बॅलन्स. सो वेर आर वी गोइंग टू रायट दिस? डेबीट बॅलन्स ऑफ 10,000 इन प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंट. डेबीट बॅलन्स म्हणजे तो खंय येतलो? असेट सायडीन येतलो. सो वी वील रायट हियर प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंट 10,000. ओके, नाव आतां आमकां कळ्ळें बॅलन्स शिटान ती एंट्री खंय येता. नाव इट इज व्हेरी इजी. इफ जनरल रिजर्व कम इन द लायबिलिटी सायड, देन वीच सायड इट वील बी रिकॉर्डेड? इन द पार्टनर्स कॅपिटल अकाउंट. पार्टनर्स कॅपिटल अकाउंटान डेबीट सायडीन रिकॉर्ड जातली जनरल रिजर्व काय क्रेडीट सायडीन जातली? इट वील बी रिकॉर्डेड इन दी opposite side. ह्याच सायडीन रिकॉर्ड जावची ना, इट वील बी रिकॉर्डेड इन द opposite side. So here what we will write? By general reserve account. Okay, आता आमी कितें करतली? We have to distribute it, this 20,000 among the partners. आता कोणाक कोणाक दितली आमी? Only Ram and Shiva, or Ram, Hari and Shiva also. For that you need to see what situation it is. It is a retirement or it is a admission. If it is admission जाल्यार usually आमी last column जो आसा तो न्यू पार्टनरा खातीर करतात. सो एडमिशन आसा जाल्यार आमी फक्त रामाक आनी हरीकूच दितली. बट दिस इज अ रिटायरमेंट. इफ इट इज रिटायरमेंट देन वी हॅव टू गिव टू ऑल द पार्टनर्स, ऑल द ओल्ड पार्टनर्स. ओके, so according to their ratio, that is 3/6, 2/6 and 1/6, we will distribute this 20,000. Okay, so you can directly do it on calculator. 20,000, okay, multiplied by, for Ram we will do first, multiplied by 3 divide by 6. Okay, it comes to 10,000 for Ram. Okay, similarly 20,000 multiplied by 2 divided by 6, it is coming 6,667. There is some decimal figure is coming. So if you are getting a figure like this, okay, you write this 666 and for the last digit before the decimal, if this is after 5, okay, or suppose after the decimal that number is more than 5, then you have to round this up to the next number. So this I can make as 7. Okay, so I am writing here 6,667. Similarly you calculate for 20,000 multiplied by 1 divided by 6, 3,333. Okay, this also you round it up Okay, then add all those and see whether you are getting total as 20,000. Yes. Okay, we are getting 20,000. So distribute this 20,000 in their old profit sharing ratio. Now, what about this now? Profit and loss account. This will be recorded in the debit side. Okay. So right here, see students, in this question, I'm teaching you all journal entry also, and how this effect will be recorded in the partner's capital account. That also I'm recording over here. Okay, that also I'm teaching over here, because you all will be getting 8 marks problem for the second test. Okay, which the higher secondary is going to be conduct for you all. So for that you have to prepare revaluation account. So sorry, you have to prepare partners capital account. So over there, how that effect will be recorded, which side it will be recorded in partners capital account, ते तुमकां हांगाच हांव क्लॅरिफाय करता. Okay, so when we take a problem, it is easy for you all to understand which side it will come in partners capital account, whether it will come in the debit side or credit side. Okay, so this is 10,000. So 10,000 also we will distribute according to their old profit sharing ratio. Okay, this comes to 5,000. Then this is also coming in decimals. Okay, this is coming as just add all three and see if it is coming to 10,000. It should come to 10,000. Okay, it should be total to this. So this 10,000 I distributed in their profit sharing ratio. So what is the difference that you are able to see over here than the previous problem which we have seen? Okay, what we do in case of admission of a partner, we give it only to the old partners. Okay, न्यू पार्टनराक मेळना थंय. सो हांगा सुद्दां आमी कितें करतात, ओल्ड पार्टनराकूच दितात इन केस ऑफ अ रिटायरमेंट. पूण हांगा ओल्ड पार्टनर सगळे पार्टनर्स आसतले, इवन द रिटायरिंग पार्टनर ऑल्सो. Okay, now so once this is done, let us see how to record the journal entry based on here what we have written. Okay, so first we will write about general reserve. आम्ही हांगा कितें केला, राम्स कॅपिटल अकाउंट, हरीस कॅपिटल अकाउंट एंड शिवास कॅपिटल अकाउंट आम्ही कितें केला, क्रेडिट केला. राइट, वी हॅव क्रेडिटेड राम्स कॅपिटल अकाउंट, हरीस कॅपिटल अकाउंट and Shiva's capital account. So credit means just leave one line on top and you write to Ram's capital account, to Hari's capital account and to Shiva's capital account. Okay, so how much we have credited in their account? We have credited, write it in the credit column. We have credited 10,000 for Ram, right? Then 6,667 for Hari, and for Shiva 3,333. Okay, आता what we have credited in Ram's, Hari and Shiva's capital account, तांच्या capital account आम्ही कितें credit केला, this what you are writing, what is that, general reserve. So general reserve account will be debited. हांगा जे कितें अकाउंट मेन्शन करतात तो डेबीट जातलो. बाय वॉट अमाउंट? टेक अ टोटल ऑफ दिस. इट शूड कम टू दिस अमाउंट ओनली, that is 20,000. Being general reserve distributed among all the partners, because all are the old partners here, right? So then second entry, what is given here? Ram's, Hari's and Shiva's account is debited by 5,000, 3,333 and 1,667. So Ram's, Hari's and Shiva's account किने केला आमी? Debit केला. So what we have to write? Ram's capital account debit, okay? Hari's capital account debit, then Shiva's capital account okay. So Ram's capital account is debited by 5,000. Hari's capital account is debited by 3,333. Shiva's capital account is debited by 1,667. And what account are we going to credit? Here, what we have written here, Ram's, Hari's and Shiva's capital account are debited, right? This amount are debited in their account. But what we have debited in their account, it is profit and loss account. It is a loss, right? So we have to write here to profit and loss account. Narration will be the same thing, being profit and loss, okay, being profit and loss, debit balance, okay, debited to all partners capital account, all partners capital account, okay. And in the credit side, we forgot to write the amount. Okay, what was the total amount? It is 10,000. So this is how the entry will come when it is a reserve entry. Like this entry will come when it is a debit balance of profit and loss account. Like this entry will come. Okay. Let us take another problem on this. Ram, Mohan and Sohan were partners in a firm, okay, sharing profits in the ratio of 2:2:1. So, Ram retires from the business. Who is retiring? Ram. Ram retires from the business, okay. Following balances were appearing in the books of account. Now, if there is any existing goodwill, okay, when Ram is retiring, these were the balances which were appearing in the books of account. That means these are all the old balances. So this goodwill is also, what type of goodwill it is? It is an existing goodwill, which means it is a old goodwill. Okay, we have already solved problem on this. Okay, but I will show you where it will come in balance sheet. Okay, how it will be recorded in the partner's capital account and how the journal entry will come. With regard to the goodwill, we have already seen the first case under the topic treatment of goodwill in retirement of a partner chapter, right? Then these two are something new for you all. Okay, in case of retirement, not completely new, but in case of retirement we give it to all the partners. That's the only difference here. Okay, so goodwill account खंय येता, it comes in the asset side. So here I have written already, students, in balance sheet where the goodwill come, it come in the asset side. So I will write here in the asset side goodwill. What is the goodwill amount? 50,000. Okay, then profit and loss suspense account 20,000 is given. Okay, profit and loss suspense account, which side it comes? Again, asset side. Profit and loss suspense account, asset side 20,000. Accumulated profit and loss 10,000. Credit balance. Okay, so accumulated profit and loss credit balance असं झाल्यार it should be recorded in the liability side, right? So I will write this in the liability side, profit and loss account, because this is a credit balance, that is 10,000. So old partners कोण आसात? All these three partners, Ram, Mohan and Sohan. So हे सगळे आमकां तिनी पार्टनरांक डिवायड करून दिवचे पडटले. Whatever is written in the liability side will be recorded in the credit side in partners capital account, and जे आमी asset सायडीन बरयला ते डेबिट सायडीन हांगा रिकॉर्ड जातले. Understood? Now what you have to do, we have to distribute this amount. Okay, by, write this, let us start with this profit and loss account. Okay, 10,000 आमकां distribute करून वाटचो पडटलो for Ram, Mohan and Sohan. How are we going to distribute it? In old ratio. So what is the old ratio given over here? 2:1. Apart from this, any other ratio might also be given. आनी कसलो तरी रेशियो दिल्लो आसूंक शकता, पूण खंयचो रेशियो घेतली तुमी to distribute any balances appearing in the books of account, you will take old ratio, because हे आमी कोणाक दितात? ओल्ड पार्टनर्सांक दितात. So anything given to the old partners is to be distributed in old ratio. Okay, so I will distribute this. Okay, 10,000, this we can write it as 10,000 divided by, okay, we can write this as 2/5, 2/5 and 1/5. So 10,000 multiplied by 2 divided by 5 comes to 4,000. Same will come for Mohan, because Ram and Mohan's old ratio is same, and Sohan will get 2,000. Okay, हो जालो. Let's do for goodwill now. Goodwill will be recorded over here. To goodwill account. Okay, 50,000 multiplied by 2 divided by 5, 20,000, 20,000 and 10,000 for Sohan. तशेंच profit and loss suspense account, P&L suspense account. Okay, 20,000 multiplied by 2 divided by 5, 8,000, 8,000, 8,000 and then 4,000. Okay, now how to record journal entry for this? I will not write narration, just the normal journal entry I will show you all, or else I will just show the journal entry for goodwill and for this, because this and this a similar entry will come. Okay, I will write journal entry for this goodwill and for this entry. This you can create on your own. Okay, first I will write for this profit and loss account. So Ram's, Mohan and Sohan's capital account are credited here by 4,000, 4,000 and 2,000, right? So let us write that first. To Ram's capital account, to Mohan's capital account. Credited means I am writing here 2. Okay, to Sohan's capital account. Write amount in the credit column, 4,000, 4,000 and then 2,000. Okay, this amount are credited in this partner's capital account. On what account it is credited? Profit and loss account. So here what you will write? Profit and loss account debit. So हांगा जे बरयता तो डेबिट जातलो. What is the total amount? It is this, that is 10,000. The total amount. Just add all these three and see if it is coming to 10,000. Narration being profit and loss account, it is actually debit balance. Okay, debit balance, sorry, it is a credit balance, not debit balance. Credit balance, which means it is a profit. So being profit and loss account, credit balance, okay, credited to all partners, all old partners capital account. You can write the narration like this, or just see how I have written the narration in case of admission for the similar topic. That way also you can write. Okay, so this is done. Then I will do for the goodwill. Second entry, goodwill. Okay, now Ram, Mohan and so on account are debited by 20,000, 20,000 and 10,000. So I will write here Ram's capital account debit. Okay, Mohan's capital account debit and Sohan's capital account also debit. So write this amount now, 20,000, 20,000, 10,000. Okay, Anik, these amounts are debited in this partner's capital account. On what account it is debited? On goodwill. So what it is, this amount that we have debited is for what amount? That is minus from their account, it is goodwill. This amount is going from, this amount is been withdrawn by the Ram, Mohan and Sohan from their account as what amount? Goodwill amount. Okay, so what we will write here? To goodwill account. Okay, total of this, that is 50,000. Okay, narration you can write being existing goodwill distributed among all the old partners. Okay, you can write the narration being existing goodwill distributed among all the old partners. Okay, we have seen a similar kind of entry. For this, how you will write the journal entry? Same way. Okay, like this you will write Ram's capital account debit 8,000, Mohan's capital account debit 8,000, Sohan's capital account debit 4,000. 2 कितें येतलें? Profit and loss suspense account 20,000. Okay, like this you write. Narration also you can write it as being profit and loss suspense account debited to all old partners capital account. Okay, so I am not dragging this topic anymore, and that's the reason why I have taken only 2 problems. Only difference apart from admission in retirement over here is that admissionaक दोनोच old partner असतात बट इन रिटायरमेंट ऑल द 3 पार्टनर्स आर द ओल्ड पार्टनर्स. सो हांगा जो अमावंट जो दिल्लो आसता तो तिनी पार्टनराक तुमकां वांटून दिवचो पडटलो. ओके. So this problem you can solve on your own. S, P and M were partners sharing profits and losses equally. Equally म्हणजे 1:1:1, which we can write it as 1/3, 1/3 and 1/3. Okay, then there was a balance of 30,000 appearing in the books of account as general reserve. Okay, general reserve amount ashillo appearing in the books of account. What was that amount? 30,000. And a debit balance was there in profit and loss account, that is 60,000. Okay, I have already solved a problem on this. Okay, you can attempt this question. This is very easy. So this is for the homework, for your practice purpose. Okay, then another problem I will be taking over here, that is on revaluation of profit and loss. Now when I am saying revaluation profit and revaluation loss, it is not coming in the balance sheet. Where it is coming? It is recorded in revaluation account. Okay, when I am saying revaluation profit and revaluation loss, it is not recorded in the balance sheet. Okay, it is recorded in where? Revaluation account, which is also known as profit and loss adjustment account. Revaluation account is also known as profit and loss adjustment account. So in revaluation account, I have told you all one rule to remember. Okay, first write AL. Here also you write AL. First sign that I told you all to remember for A here is facing towards downward. Then opposite way you have to write. Hanga, whatever you have done this side, reverse it will come for the credit side. Okay. Now once you know this, see what is given in the question. A, B and C are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 2:2:1. Okay, B retires on 31st March 2021. On B's retirement, there was a revaluation profit of rupees 1 lakh. जेन्ना B retired जालो तेन्ना revaluation accountant कितें आशिल्लें? In this account there was a revaluation profit. Okay, so that profit we transfer to the partners capital account. Okay, so say for example, okay, when you will get revaluation profit, when you are getting balance in this side, if you are getting a balancing figure in this side in revaluation account, that means it's a revaluation profit. If you are getting balancing figure in this side, that means it's a revaluation loss. Okay, so let us assume that there was increase in the value of building. Okay, buildingaचो value increase जालो, appreciate जालो, let's say by 50,000. Okay, आनी हांगा there is a depreciation on furniture. Furnitureचो value decrease जालो by 10,000. एक सायडीन बिल्डिंगाचो value increase जाता, दुसरे सायडीन फर्निचराचो value decrease जाता. So if this is the case, if we want to close this account, which side is the total coming heavier? It is in the credit side. So here we write 50,000, here also we write 50,000. That means balancing figure खंयचे सायडीन येतले? The side which is falling short. Debit side short पडटा amountan, right? So which side balancing figure will come? Over here. So what is the balancing figure? 50,000 minus 10,000. How much it will come? 40,000. So this 40,000 is nothing but your revaluation profit. Okay, but here what is given in the question? Okay, we will change the in the question we will write here 40,000. So now see, A, B and C are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 2:2:1. B retires on 31st March. On B's retirement, there was a revaluation profit of rupees 40,000. So here there was a revaluation profit of how much? 40,000. So हांगा जेन्ना आमकां रिवॅल्युएशन अकाउंटान प्रॉफिट मेळटालें तेन्ना आमी एडमिशन ऑफ अ पार्टनर चॅप्टरान कितें करतालीं? इट इज टू बी डिस्ट्रिब्युटेड टू द ओल्ड पार्टनर्स. आनी तेन्ना 2 ओल्ड पार्टनर आसतात इन केस ऑफ एडमिशन ऑफ अ पार्टनर. बट हांगा कितें जाता? ऑल द पार्टनर्स आर द ओल्ड पार्टनर्स. सो 2 partners capital account and all the 3 partners will come, A, B as well as C. आणि हो जो 40,000 आसा तो आमी वाटून घालतली, रायट. दिस 40,000 वी विल डिस्ट्रिब्यूट नाव. ओके, एयाक कितलो मेळटलो तो पळोवया, बियाक कितलो मेळटलो तो पळोवया, एंड देन फॉर सी. ओके, so 2 upon, we can write it as 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5. So 2 upon 5, 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 5. Okay, this comes to 16,000. This will also come to 16,000. Okay, so total comes to 40,000, right? So 16,000 कोणाक मेळटलो? एयाक मेळटलो. Even B will get 16,000 and C will get 8,000. Okay, हांगा 3 पार्टनर्स येतात. Can you see over here? But in case of admission of a partner, only 2 partners will come. Okay, because थंय एडमिशन ऑफ अ पार्टनराच्या टायमार कितें आसता? 2 ओल्ड पार्टनर्स आसतात. बट इन केस ऑफ रिटायरमेंट ऑफ अ पार्टनर, ऑल द पार्टनर्स, इवन द रिटायरिंग पार्टनर विल कम इन द ओल्ड पार्टनर्स. ओके, सो ए, बी एज वेल एज सी. ओके, हांगा कोण रिटायर्ड जाता? बी रिटायर्ड जाता. नाव हाव वी कॅन रायट? आतां हांगा जें आमी बरयलां तें आमी पार्टनर कॅपिटल अकाउंटान आमी रिकॉर्ड करतात. लेट्स से दिस इज अ partners capital account, right? So here we write, I'm not doing the debit side because this is recorded in the debit side in revaluation account. So in partners capital account it will be recorded in the credit side. Over here credit side is record जातली by revaluation. Okay, by revaluation profit. Okay, here we write by revaluation account, in bracket you can write profit 16,000, 16,000 and 8,000. आता ही entry, how this entry we are going to write in the form of journal. Okay, same logic you have to use, students. हांगा पार्टनर्स कॅपिटल अकाउंट कितें केला? क्रेडिट केला. हू आर द पार्टनर्स? A, B and C. A, B आणि C आलो कॅपिटल अकाउंट कितें केला आमी? क्रेडिट केला. सो वॉट यू विल डू? 2 is capital account, 2 B's capital account. 2 means, what does 2 means? It is credit. Okay, 2 C's capital account. Write this amount in the credit column. 16,000, 16,000, 8,000. ओके, आनी कितें क्रेडिट केला आमी? इट इज रिवॅल्युएशन प्रॉफिट. सो हियर वॉट विल कम? रिवॅल्युएशन ओके अकाउंट डेबिट. सो हाउ द नरेशन विल कम? बीइंग revaluation profit distributed being revaluation profit distributed among all the partners. Okay, total in the debit you have to write that is 40,000. what was the revaluation profit total that we got? 40,000. तो आम्ही वाटून घातलो among all the partners. So like this journal entry will come. सो अशी जर्नल एंट्री तुमकां येवपाक शकता किंवा तुमकां अशे प्रॉब्लम दिल्ले आसूंक शकता बोर्ड एग्जामीन आनी तुमकां फायंड आवट करपाक लायतले वॉट इज द शेअर ऑफ रिटायरींग पार्टनर इन दीस रिवॅल्युएशन प्रॉफीट. सो हू इज अ रिटायरींग पार्टनर? बी इज अ रिटायरींग पार्टनर. ताजो शेअर कितें आसा हांगा? 16,000. So they might ask such question. You don't have to pass journal entry. You just need to calculate retiring partneraक ह्या रिवॅल्युएशन प्रॉफिटांतल्यान कितले मेळटले. It is 16,000. So like this objective question can come. So I am teaching you all everything in terms of journal entry, in terms of which side it will be recorded, debit, credit, तसोय question येवपाक शकता. Okay. So this topic I am not taking more problems on this. It is the same concept what we have already discussed in case of admission of a partner. Only difference is that हांगा सगळे पार्टनर्साक तो amount distribute जाता. Okay, because here all the partners are old partners. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you students.